So most of us would have heard or seen angels in movies or read about them in some books. But do they even really exist, or is it just our imagination and mind's creation? Of course, they do exist. So regardless of your faith and belief in angels, all of us have guardian angels assigned to us right from the time we take birth till the time we leave our physical bodies. And one of the main purpose and role of angels in our life is to help us live a much more happier, meaningful and a purposeful life. And yes, that's why they are around us always. It's just a matter of us asking for their help in our day-to-day life, and you would be astonished to see how angels help you in their own beautiful, unique ways. How do the angels look like? So angels are pure beings of love and light. They do not have any physical form. They are egoless entities and they vibrate at a very high frequency. So for us to be able to connect to angels, we must learn how to raise our frequency and our vibration to a higher level so that we can understand and comprehend the guidance from angels. But is it very difficult to understand the guidance, or do we have to be special or gifted or selected ones to be able to communicate with angels? Of course not. Anyone can connect with angels. The only one thing that is required is your willingness to connect with them. So yes, you need not be a special or a gifted one to be able to connect or communicate with angels. All you require is the willingness to communicate and connect with their energies. And why should we connect with them? How do they actually help us in our day-to-day life? So basically, when you talk about angels, they can help you literally in each and every area of your life. As I mentioned, it's just a matter of us asking for the help to see the miracles in our life. Angels can help you heal your life or anybody else's whom you feel is in need. Angels can help you remove any kind of fear, blockages, trauma, grief from your life. Angels provide you a very soothing and a very warm feeling when they are around. They give you a feeling of comfort that yes, you are not alone on this journey of life. We are there besides you. So since angels are a beautiful creation of God or of the universe, whatsoever you have faith in, why not choose to consciously connect with their energies so that we can live our life with much more awareness and not only help ourselves but also others in need. If you really like the content and you would like to know more about the realm of angels and how can they help you in your life, do subscribe to my channel and share it in your network. Hey, we also have an upcoming workshop on connecting with angels. If you are interested, do check out the details in the description box.